When drilling holes, you must first use a center drill as a starting point to ensure accuracy. Attempting to drill a large diameter hole in one go will inevitably lead to the drill bit overheating and then jamming in the material. This is potentially dangerous. Remember to always use coolant to prevent jamming and overheating. Mount the drill chuck onto the tailstock. Turn the drill chuck anti-clockwise to open the 3 jaws. Grab yourself a center drill bit and install the drill bit into the chuck and tighten by hand. Make sure it is in the center of the 3 jaws. Slide the tailstock closer to the material being drilled and lock into place. Turn the center wheel gently on the rear of the tailstock to cut a live center pre-drill hole. After successfully cutting a pre-drill hole, you can now mount a twist drill bit. Mount the twist drill bit in the same way as you did the other drill bit. Unlock anti-clockwise, and when you mount the drill bit, make sure it is in the center of the 3 jaws. Release the lever lock and slide the tailstock closer to the material being cut before using the lever lock to lock it back into place. Now, ensuring the guard is down, turn on your machine and turn the center wheel to the rear of the tailstock gently and steadily in order to create a hole in the center of your material. Release the lever lock and slide the tailstock back in its position to the rear of the lathe.